With this lesson 30 in the Mr. Circuit STEM Coloring Activity book, you have completed the book and will have earned the certificate of completion. In this lesson, we introduce an ultrasonic pest repeller circuit. It's an electronic circuit that will emit sounds that are thought to actually chase pests away. The idea is that certain sounds are irritating to some pests. The word ultrasonic means sounds that cannot be heard by the human ear. These sounds have frequencies higher than 20,000 cycles per second. The schematic diagram for the ultrasonic pest repeller circuit is shown on the lower right-hand side of the page. It has some of the schematic symbols that you were taught in earlier lessons of this STEM activity book. You may remember from lesson number 11 that a 555 timer IC can be used to generate tones and other sounds. This circuit was designed by engineers using the 555 timer IC with a 2-transistor oscillator circuit to make ultrasonic sounds to chase away pests. On page 30, you see that the artist shows the Mr. Circuit robot playing a flute to attract rats, like in the story of the Pied Piper. This circuit is actually doing the opposite. Its purpose is to repel rats and other pests. At the bottom of the page, what does Mr. Circuit say? Mr. Circuit says, here is an ultrasonic pest repeller circuit using 6 resistors, a 555 timer IC, an LED, an NPN transistor, a PNP transistor, 3 capacitors, and a speaker. Please draw a circle around the schematic symbol of each of the 2 transistors on the schematic diagram at the bottom right-hand side of the page. Here are some important things that you were taught in this lesson. 1. What components are used to make an ultrasonic pest repeller circuit. 2. That this ultrasonic pest repeller circuit uses a 555 timer IC with a 2-transistor oscillator to generate ultrasonic sounds to repel pests. And 3. How to spell and pronounce ultrasonic pest repeller circuit. Now, to finish this lesson, please color in the Mr. Circuit robot on page 30. This is the last lesson in the Mr. Circuit STEM Coloring Activity book. When you have completed all 30 lessons and filled in the 2 quiz pages, you have earned the certificate of completion, which will be signed by your instructor. Mr. Circuit says, congratulations, and please continue to learn more electronics technology in a world of constant technological and scientific advances. Thank you again from all of us here at Mr. Circuit Technology for using our programs.